Hi Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Gemini. Let's see what are the energies and the messages na paparating for Gemini. Energies and messages, mga gabay or guidance for Gemini. Gemini. Happy home life. There is contentment. Okay. May mga achievements kayong natanggap or nagawa. Gemini. Okay, you are proud of it. Okay. Yeah, you have the inner strength. Parang nalagpasan mo or malalagpasan mo yung mga challenge na paparating sa buhay mo, most especially sa career, sa business, sa trabaho, okay? Or if you are self-employed, malalagpasan mo yung mga pagsubok. Okay? Okay. Your hard work and skilled work will be rewarded. Okay? Magkakaroon ng magandang resulta ang inyong trabaho, ang inyong ginagawa. 8 of Wands. Yes, avoid rushing things. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, yung mga delays are over now. May mga movement or actions na nangyayari in your situation. Yeah, King of Cups. Be compassionate and kind towards people. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are gaining strength and you are parang marunong na kayo mag-say no. Okay? You are protecting yourself. You are protecting what you have. Yeah, there is someone na mag-approach or magbibigay ng inyong tulong. Kailangan ng inyong understanding. 6 of Pentacles. Job opportunities. Okay, magkakaroon ng job opportunity for you or you will be having a new job. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving more money, gifts, okay, time and attention from someone. Yeah. For some, you will be able to pay your loans or your debts or kautangan. You will have more than enough, okay? Or you will be distributing money or giving money to someone, okay? Page of Cups. This is a beginning, new beginning in the relationship, okay? Or you will be, or someone new will enter your life. Okay, your concerns will fade away. There is happiness and pride. Meron ding wish fulfillment para sa inyo. A wish come true. A love of life. Okay, wow. Tingnan natin kung ano itong mga to. 4 of Wands. Please clarify anong 4 of Wands for Gemini. For Gemini. Wow, new contracts, new deals. May na-close pa kayong deal, okay? New contract, bagong sales, new sales. Wow, big money. A new business venture for some of you, Gemini. Merong success pagdating sa kaperahan. Again, strength. Okay, for some of you, you have a partner who is a Leo. Yeah. Parang you have the strength na para malagpasan mo yung mga challenges. Okay? Nalagpasan mo, Gemini. Yung mga pagsubok mo sa buhay. Okay? Ikaw ay matapang. Okay? Brave. At may kakayahan to overcome challenges. Again, 9 of strength. Okay? Strength. Ano tong strength? You are overcoming obstacles. Okay? Eight of Wands. Movement. Yeah, for some of you, you need to set priorities, okay? Yeah. Avoid rushing things. You have to prioritize things for some of you. Gemini. Okay. Ano tong Eight of Wands? Yeah, for some of you, there is a beginning or a new phase in your life. Maybe sa business to or sa trabaho. So, some exciting things will come. Busy time, exciting and busy time for you. Yes. Good news about financial matters. Yeah. Magiging busy ka about sa work mo, about sa kaperahan. And you need more strength, okay? Physical strength and mental strength. Also, avoid rushing things, okay? For some of you, delays are over. Many things happening at once. Madaming nangyayari sa kapaligiran mo or sa inyong ginagawa sa working environment mo. Busy. Eight of Pentacles. Ano to? Death. Okay. There is a renewal. A rebirth. Okay. About sa'yo. Parang bumabalik ang kasipagan mo sa trabaho. Ano tong death? Yeah, Page of Cups. Yes. Okay. For some of you, ginaganahan ka ngayon magtrabaho. Okay? Because you want change. Okay? Good change in your work, in your business. That's why pinag-iigihan mo ang inyong pagtatrabaho. Okay. Double time. Yeah, for some of you, you want to make up for loss. Okay? Babawi sa mga nawala. Eight of Wands. Ano to? Okay. Yeah, new, exciting. The start of something new and exciting. Okay? Exciting events. Exciting and busy time. You are looking forward to it. Lumalabas ang pagiging creative mo. Okay? You are planning. Okay? About new things. About the future. Okay? May mga plano kayong gawin. Marami kayong mga ideas na naiisip na pinaplano nyong gawin or i-implement sa trabaho mo or sa negosyo mo. Okay? Maybe this is a passion project, a creative project na ginagawa. Okay? And you are excited about it. Queen of Cups. Yes, development. Development for the future. Okay? Also, you are taking care of yourself. Parang may kailangan kang ayusin or i-enhance sa sarili mo. Sa skills mo to or sa sarili mo mismo. Okay? Sa personality mo. Okay? Nurture yourself. Develop yourself. Okay? New exciting things are happening to you. Gemini. King of Cups. Ano tong King of Cups? Knight of Swords. Yeah. For some of you, you are confident, no? Or you are in a defense mode with someone. Yes, yeah, defense mode, no? Parang maybe, parang merong someone na lumalapit sa inyo, okay? But then, parang defensive ka. Siguro hingi ng tulong to sa inyo or gusto makipag-ayos, but you are protective of yourself. You are gaining strength to say no. The devil. Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you are ignoring someone. Okay? Merong toxicity in the situation. Maybe this is a partner. Okay? Maybe you are in a toxic situation or toxic relationship and you are defensive and protective of yourself. You are saying no. You are gaining strength. Ano tong devil? Yeah. So, consider or kailangan mo ng balance sa inyong logical and emotional balance, no? Be patient also of your situation. Okay? Pahabain mo ang iyong pasensya over someone or with someone. Okay? Six of Pentacles. Ano tong Six of Pentacles? The Fool. Ano tong Six of Pentacles? And the Hangman. Parang for you, let bygones be bygones. Okay? Kung hindi ka pinapansin, okay lang. Parang, yeah, someone is giving you attention and time. Okay? But for you, parang hindi yan ang priority mo. Okay? Yeah, there is no movement and action in the situation. You are not responding. You are not taking action. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, when it comes sa kaperahan, sa career mo to, or sa bagong opportunity, you are taking risk or, yeah, you are taking a chance or taking a risk. And para sa'yo is, tingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari. It's like, sa ngayon, kailangan mo magsakripisyo muna in order to gain something in the future, okay? Or in the long run or in the long term. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are taking chances. Yeah. You are sacrificing now to improve things for later on. Okay? Para bang kailangan mo magsakripisyo. Okay? Ano tong Page of Cups? Yeah. For some of you, yung someone na parang hindi ka binigyan ng pansin or inignore ka, now they are making up parang ngayon nagbibigay na sila ng oras or ng time sa inyo. Okay? Parang binibigyan ka na ng pansin. Something like that. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. Gemini, what is this Page of Cups? Three of Pentacles. Merong offer about work or opportunity na kailangan mong aksyonan. Okay? Yeah. Three of Cups. Yeah, merong new opportunity for you about work. Okay? Merong meetings or planning na mangyayari. Yeah, for some of you, merong biglang dumating na opportunity para sa inyo na siguro hindi nyo to inaasahan. Okay? A good opportunity. Okay? It's career opportunity or business opportunity. Yeah, for some of you, okay, again, Three of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands. Yeah, for some of you, there is a new partnership, okay? A start of a partnership, maybe a work. Okay? Siguro matagal mo na to tinabaho and now you are receiving or parang in-award sa iyo yung opportunity na to or yung project na to. Okay? Parang pinaghirapan mo din to. And now you are receiving it. There will be a business relationship. Okay? Or some of you. Or a working relationship. Bagong trabaho, bagong work. Nine of Cups. Tingnan natin. Ano tong Nine of Cups? That's why you are very happy. You will be happy. Okay? Like yung mga concerns mo, bigla na lang naglaho. Okay? May mga happy moments for you. Gemini. Two of Pentacles. Money coming in. Okay? Yan. Money on way. Okay? Meron kayong mga kailangang gagawin. Yeah. Good fortune, money, success. Okay? For some of you, magkakaroon ka ng mga sources, 2 sources of money. Okay, that's why you will be happy. Okay, tingnan natin, Two of Pentacles. Ace of Wands, new project, expansion, and growth. Okay, wow. So, Gemini, this is good luck para sa inyo. Bagong project, expansion. Yeah. Yung matanggal nyo na inantay. Okay. Na parang na-let go nyo na or hinayaan nyo na lang kung mangyayari yun o hindi. Bigla kang naka-receive. Okay. Ng attention. Ng opportunity. Okay. Yes. Offers. Business offer. Career, work. Anything na makapagbigay sa inyo ng expansion. Makapag-earn ng more. Okay? So, Gemini, all the best. Good luck. Tingnan natin. Additional message for Gemini. Additional message for Gemini. Star power. Become an influencer of the company and earn fame, popularity, step into the spotlight. Power. You have the power to take control of your life, career, and finances. Focus on your needs. And independence. Manage money yourself. Independence guarantees security. Don't depend on others. Okay. Additional message for Gemini. Conscious consumer, you have the power to heal and help the world with your decision. to buy only products and services that are ethical and environmentally friendly. As a conscious consumer, you choose to invest in fair trade and organic goods. You live simply, and you purchase only that which you need. Okay, another one. God is your source. Everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God, there is no lack or limitation. Rather, there is plenty of abundance for all to share. Okay, plenty of abundance. So, Gemini, these are the energies for you. All the best. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!